Google Pixel 9 Pro vs Samsung S25 Ultra, Ultimate Flagship Battle. Introduction. Welcome to Mobi Insider. Today, we have the ultimate flagship battle between the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the Samsung S25 Ultra. Both phones offer powerful specs, stunning cameras, and top-notch performance, but which one is the real winner? Let's find out. Display comparison. Close-up shots of both screens, brightness test, outdoor visibility test. 1. Google Pixel 9 Pro, 6.7-inch LTPO OLED, 120Hz refresh rate, 2K resolution, 1500 nits brightness. 2. Samsung S25 Ultra, 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz refresh rate, 2K resolution, 2600 nits brightness. Verdict: Samsung wins with a brighter and more vibrant display. Camera comparison. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, 50MP, main, plus 48MP, ultra-wide, plus 48MP, periscope, 5x zoom, AI-powered computational photography. 2. S25 Ultra, 200MP, main, plus 12MP, ultra-wide, plus 50MP, periscope, 10x zoom, pro-grade camera software. Photo quality. 1. Pixel 9 Pro delivers more natural colors and AI enhancements. 2. S25 Ultra has sharper images and better details with 200MP sensor. Video recording. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, 4K 60fps, super stabilization. 2. S25 Ultra, 8K 30fps, AI-powered video HDR. Verdict: Samsung wins in zoom and detail, but Pixel leads in AI processing. Performance and software. Gaming test, benchmark scores, UI smoothness, multitasking test. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, Google Tensor G4 chip, pure Android 15, 7 years of updates. 2. S25 Ultra, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, One UI 6.1, 5 years of updates. Gaming test, PUBG, Genshin Impact, COD Mobile. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, smooth gameplay, but slight heating issues. 2. S25 Ultra, better frame rates and sustained performance. Verdict: Samsung wins in raw performance, but Pixel is better for long-term updates. Battery and charging. Battery drain test, charging speed test, power efficiency. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, 5000 mAh, 30 watts wired, 23 watts wireless. 2. S25 Ultra, 5000 mAh, 45 watts wired, 25 watts wireless. Battery life test. 1. Pixel 9 Pro lasts around 7.5 hours on screen time. 2. S25 Ultra lasts around 8.5 hours due to better optimization. High voltage sign, charging speed. 1. Pixel, 50% in 30 minutes, full in 1 hour 30 minutes. 2. Samsung, 65% in 30 minutes, full in 1 hour 10 minutes. Bullseye. Verdict: Samsung charges faster and lasts longer. Musical note, extra features and audio. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, AI features, Magic Eraser, Live Translate, Best Haptics. 2. S25 Ultra, S Pen, Dex Mode, Advanced AI for notes and productivity, High Volume, Speakers and Audio Test. 1. Pixel 9 Pro has cleaner bass and stereo separation. 2. S25 Ultra has louder speakers and more immersive sound. Bullseye. Verdict: depends on your preference. Pixel for software, Samsung for productivity. Money bag, price and value. 1. Pixel 9 Pro, $999, base model. 2. S25 Ultra, $1,299, base model. Bullseye. Verdict: Pixel 9 Pro is better value for money, but S25 Ultra offers more premium features. Final winner. Scoreboard animation, side-by-side comparison of all specs. If you want the best AI features, long-term software support, and a clean Android experience, Pixel 9 Pro is the one for you. But if you want the most powerful flagship with the best display, camera, and gaming performance, Samsung S25 Ultra is the real winner. Which phone would you buy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Rocket!